now have a Dollar Tree in the same town I live in. This is awesome. I picked this accessory pack up because I saw this drone. We'll get to that soon. The quality of this toy line is very good for a Dollar Tree item. It's solid plastic and highly detailed. Let's take a look at the accessories. Owl Eyes. It's a helmet with built-in night vision goggles. I'll save this item for my 1/18th scale G.I. Joes. The next accessory is the Phoenix Pack. It's a jetpack. Another item I'll save for my 1/18th scale G.I. Joes. I'll skip over the S.P.R.G. for now. Let's take a look at the Dawn and Dusk handguns. These are very cool and very detailed. They're a bit small for my 12-inch G.I. Joe hands, but there's a figure these guns would be perfect for. With a small cut between the pointer finger and the middle finger of my Minerva figure, can't hold these now. The next accessory is the Lionfang short sword. This will make a nice accessory for my Minerva figure, but I'll have to wrap the handle so it'll fit her hands better. The Stratus board. It's a hoverboard of some sort. Another item I'll save for my 1/18th scale G.I. Joes. The Dragon, or the Dargon drone. This is the main reason why I picked up this accessory pack. It's highly detailed and has a thin profile. A perfect size for my 12-inch G.I. Joes. Now let's go back and take a look at the S.P.R.G. item. It's a grapple gun. It didn't come with string. The grapple hook part fits into the barrel of the gun part. The only problem with this item is the handle is too small for my 12-inch G.I. Joes. Easy fit. I found a handle from a gun I pulled apart in my scrap bin. I cut off the handle of the S.P.R.G. and the extra plastic bit of the other handle. I lined it up to see how it was going to look and used a straight pin to heat up and melt between the two items. I added some super glue and clamped it together and let it dry. I added some black embroidery floss, some metal clasps, and some metal figure eights. I used a screw eye to make a loop for the shoulder strap. This turned out very cool. The grapple part fits in the barrel very tight. It's kind of small and doesn't hook onto things very well, but it hooked onto the chain link fence pretty good. I used a straight pin on the grapple hook so the rope line could be removed. I might replace the rope line with another string some point later. This embroidery floss isn't working out very well. Not a bad item for $1.25. Thanks for watching. I'm changing my upload schedule to Wednesdays to better accommodate my schedule. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.